Waves Summit 2025. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Waves 2025, India's first of its kind World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit at the Geo World Centre, Mumbai on 1st May 2025. Waves 2025 is a 4-day summit with tagline Connecting Creators, Connecting Countries. It is poised to position India as a global hub of media, entertainment, and digital innovation by bringing together creators, startups, industry leaders, and policymakers across the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says content, creativity, and culture are the three pillars of the orange economy. The reach of Indian films is now expanding to every corner of the world. Nowadays, Indian films are released in more than 100 countries. A growing number of international viewers are engaging with Indian content with subtitles. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released commemorative postage stamps on 5 legendary figures of Indian cinema, that is Guru Dutt, P. Bhanumati, Raj Khosle, Ritwik Gatake, and Salil Chaudhary. The orange economy, known as the creative economy, refers to the economic activities based on creativity, innovation, and cultural assets. It encompasses industries like art, music, film, fashion, design, and cultural tourism. The term orange is often associated with creativity and enthusiasm. Jai Bharat and Jai Hind.